Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Ebony Style, and in today's video I'm going to teach you guys how to add your lace net to your wig cap. So if you want to learn how to add your lace net to your wig cap, make sure you watch this video from beginning to the end. Thank you for watching, and I'll be right back. So now I'll be placing my lace net on my wig cap. So this lace net, I've already teach you guys how to make it. In case you've not watched the way I made this lace net, I'll drop a link below for you to go and watch the way I made the lace net. So right now I'm going to place the lace net on my wig cap. And I'll be pinning it down with a pin around. Just make sure you see the way I place the net on the cap and the way I pin it down also. You can see you're going to pin it down with a pin. Any pin you have, you can use it just to pin it down. Make sure it is firm and tight. So guys, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel so that I can teach you and you will know the way to make your own wigs and your own hair. And don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share to your other friends. So guys, I just continue pinning it down with a pin and then adjust it well. Make sure it's very firm. Make sure the pin is very firm, the net is very firm on the wig cap. So then I'm going to pin it down with a safety pin because I'm going to sew this net on a sewing machine. So now I'm going to pin it down with a safety pin, as you can see me doing it. Make sure the pin you use at first, make sure it's still there, and make sure it's still tight on the wig cap before you pin before you use the safety pin to pin it down also, so that it will be tight and it won't remove in any way. So then guys, this is when I've pinned it down and I've removed the first pin I used to pin it down before. So this is how it looks like, and you can see very well it's just the safety pin that is still there. So now I'm going to sew it down on a sewing machine. So now this is when I'm done sewing on the sewing machine, and you can see how perfect and beautiful it looks like. So then I'm going to cut out the essence, like the inner net, the wig cap that is inside. So I'm going to cut it out with my scissors, the way you are seeing it on the screen right now. I'm going to remove the excess net. Just make sure you didn't cut the lace net. Be very careful. So then you have to be very careful and you cut out the excess net, the wig cap net. You can see how beautiful my net turns out to be. The frontal net is on point. So guys, thank you for watching. See you in my next video. Bye bye.